Phasi abafazi manje bayahijackile le GBV. Say favor bona thina amadoda ayisifavor. And then like gender based violence. Gender we are all in there. Mara no le na le hijackile. Mara ke na le maka.
No, I hijack. Listen, I'm. Ooh, yeah, be. But I can understand why you buy la cause. It didn't have chip. And kill language. What about logic? Logic, but people. It's chip. When you
I'm for a sikabaris.
what do back to his words. He just said, "I'm at Abafive, Nashamato. Masia police station so babo please. Mo fiko le, boya kuhleka. Mo buya uyambulala. Wena ba ubethile usafika usina ngali siriti sa mapolisa tlo tsheya. Tshwarisha motho. Nani nasishaya masifika le icase ibamba umfazi. Hi, how are you? And someone will get the giddy classmate teacher. Now I've been there, I know. Ufika regret. Hey, this one knows you. And also, I would love to take this one off because no, you are like this. And you have to face that person. And she knows you. I understand. So, Lilina, don't have this thing out when you get there. Do what we are doing. Be consistent on the case until now. Bamba, you drop.
Mara still, uyoivula kanjani case ba? How?
Bawutheya kana ku. Rena banna re out tshwarisa ne. There is this tendency ya hore re yo motshwara but we are going there la lula fase la buledisha. Mara ge wena nna go bethile thoma o ya o ka vene J4 ke online.
But guys, how many times? Okay, sharp. The vanity for the truth latane. Let us be honest. Get the case steady thing. Ja banna le basadi bo bethana ke le di bona nditlo le tshipile.
Obulediwa ke agree ya hore like even abantu bakhuluma sisingabanayo. Leyo ngiya understand ukuthi ukunaka abantu ngeke like ugene next ukukhuluma kwabantu abazuzi next. Yangithola. But mawufika police station lo muntu lo o supposed ukuthi like yena uthe ngifuna ukuprotect abantu mangithatha umsebenzi not ukudiscourage abantu.
Ngeke mazokula ama case.
Ithola point ethu. Not masifika lapha ya ungamnceda umuntu aphume ahambe umdiscourage maseka hambile ngeke ayizwe leyo nto.
Exactly.
Guys, whatever that you say now is very nice. We are passing the message to getting the lieutenant or Onama producer out who are willing to listen, who are there. When the one and we have the facilities they are very cheap. It's not little pembe. Livele chikimoya.
Awa bushuru al sabethi mpembe mara bana le WhatsApp no re ka le bitsa ka di WhatsApp nana ke robe go bona jwa ka WhatsApp group re ba tsene
ba mpheta ka mpe and ba itshepa and atsa o mra ba tsene ba sino tare ya ai man wena le tlo bala gwa lena na mo bo sino tu o bo botse o re o frosina o tlojo you won't go
Yeah, Fedi aye, Buffet. Welcome back to Facts and Love Buffet. Esishile last week ukuthi yasiphelelanga, yasiphelelanga. Ha, today is Pelele Buffet. By the way, this is your host. Ke aye na kana la madi a monna mtsipile ga tšama pula na masakha chepiski na na boy. Wow. Se se go ka ga se ke shake nna ke bona ke gala ka modida matepe sa mjaki. Ke bro mphela le makgo go le sama itse le magalia. A ke chaba ditike no ba ke compana.
Ayo. Varunga chavi makweru. This is your boy Matiming. Indoto ibiza namhla ifika izolo.
Aye.
Hayi.
Yeah.
Ungachavi.
Yeah.
Solo swakutomi leswi.
Fairy license asiphethiba. Yazi bafethu siphethe yena kuvicha ka lehutsho ne.
You are guess le right Libizole. You know why?
Why?
They cannot pronounce it, and I definitely respect that name.
Ne.
You are the
So,
one
like
at least to
Libizolo na.
Zamil. Lutso. You get my point.
Ooh,
And you can be to
asemazulu.
less paid, isn't to Lompe.
Asemazulu.
Libile Baba West.
Lenokuthini?
Eh? Hope. Luhujo le kakalono.
Oh.
Kushish.
Okay.
Mabitso a hlomphiwa. How kwa
Yeah.
Adika le DM.
DM.
Yes. So for people who don't respect that, hey, ke le Benny. Ka ba isha ko sisimane kwa. So you can call me Dawson, but I know you cannot pronounce it, so kina Lady D.
Abash.
Okay.
Ha. Welcome, Lady D, to Facts and Laughs. We've been looking forward to host you. Ukuthi uzohost nathi. As I've been telling Matiming ukuthi wasekwazizula kere.
Wena.
Oh, Marco Kuluwe uthetha utsho right. As I was telling
Makathetha nesizulu yasazi. Phela
Hey,
isizulu
obvious.
because it's difficult.
Awu,
Asipolikeki.
Oh.
Oh.
Ke ma
As I was
Africa.
saying.
Ke ma Africa.
Yeah. Oh. As I was saying, we found someone who's smart, who got facts, funny. She's very funny, guys.
Hey.
Yo.
Yes.
We've been laughing before.
Hey.
I don't know. I know nothing about that one, guys. And that's
Mara, welcome.
Thank you, guys.
Vele bengifuna ukukubuza, are you a comedian?
No, I'm not. And you know, that is a problem. Because even making it serious, everyone tend to laugh. We get to talk about serious things and but people are like,
But they think you are fun.
I'm not funny,
You are
guys.
fun, and I'm telling you, you are fun.
Sikubonile ukuthi ufani,
You are
sizibonele.
fun. Like, even the way ama TikTok wakhe, ama post wakhe poster uyabona ukuthi this person is very funny, bruh. And
I'm not taking that as a compliment. It's a disrespect. You know that moment when you are dancing. Motu hey wena, you can be a comedian. Wangafela wena. Kyabina mo. I'm dancing. Alinhlompi, guys. I'm not. What's in now?
no, I'm not talking about the ones tselo no jive. Bona tselo no bolela. Like ke maobane. Utsaro karo es post ke bone ko Facebook maobane man. Utsaro karo ka thola ro karo ka shwa.
But oh, these people who are tata batho.
Eh,
Wangare ba ka no tlhafuna.
wa bona?
Ba no reng. You know that moment you are chewing, ulipapa. Uyayilipapa. We are going. Uyazibuza ukuthi yeba mfethu. Ubethile one bite saluno. You know when you want to finish this meal. Mara cause indaba zabantu uyazithanda. Hey, unobereka umithi. You just shoot for the rest of your life. Phumani indaba zabantu, guys.
Wow.
And I was serious.
Wow.
Yeah.
Abash.
Yeah, welcome. And then Buffet to you gonna see her every day because she's gonna also be our co-host Buffet to really Yeah. Pero especially Matiming.
Mina ngokuphetheleni.
Yeah.
Ngokuphethele kahle ithi ngokukhombela ivideo. Angokukhombela ivideo ngoba ngipromote abantu abashonayo in just ukuthi le video ina le issue engifuna ukuyithatha. Ngiyangithola. Yeah.
Yes, California.
I don't know. Kuna le issue le ukuthi kuna le out yomshangani last year yabulaliwa umfazi yala eMidrand.
Yeah?
I win.
Out umshangani yabule way out.
Bathu usichavo.
Ulalo ubani umfazi?
Mm.
Oh yeah, I remember him.
Yeah.
Next time ke mochangani mara le wena o sa bolela lebitso la no ra utla mochangani. Ke a mo go le gore ke malumai. Re tlo kwa mitholo mo.
Uthi ngidayile uplug
Lokela rekwe. Are you guys related?
No.
Oh, you know it.
No.
Wamtiva.
Iwa kugiyani.
Oh, I know this is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wena wakwe.
jamu ha mari move for now.
Yeah,
Let's see this.
what la yeah to explain the video ane umntombazana bekase court so court yakhe yapostponiwa because akunama fingerprint basayo check ama fingerprint so nama comment ayabuza ukuthi lama fingerprint ba checka since last year namaye basawa check lama fingerprint so upostponiwe ungaphandle lo mntana lo
uthola bail sho khona ukuthi bakhe bambamba and then athola bail or bambambile bamkhipha because of lack of evidence.
Yes.
So what was
so
the case?
I case yakhe ipostponiwe ngoba like abana evidence basafuna ama fingerprint kule knife le ahlabe indoda yakhe.
Yo.
And then nama witness bewakhona ukuthi ya bambonile like ama witness kuze bamkhiphe enye into ukuthi ama witness bathi babonile ukuthi indoda yakhe uyocale ashaya baso bathi self defense
ngokumbulala pho.
Guys, South Africa man like so. It's like that.
Ithi ngokutholela ama comments akhona manje.
So mara kusho ukuthi ke anyeke aboshwe lo muntu lo.
Is she rich?
Yeah, I think so. Kusho ukuthi unemali unama or unama connection.
Yeah, ngoba engathi indoda yakhe
kusho ukuthi bekalala nama
wayikushisa
friend ondoda yakhe. Mara iqiniso. Phela obviously indoda yakho be connected and then khona manje yona you can get arrested obviously nabo laba labantu laba connected laba bayazi ukuthi kumele afele.
Umethile kalino. Alina balina luko luchonile.
Nangu bathu Jen van Riebeeck. Yeah. Okay.
Jen van Riebeeck.
Jen van Riebeeck.
Yeah, naloyo. It was self defense.
Okay.
Grace uthi not guilty until proven guilty. Let's wait for the result. Unosipho Ngubane uthi crazy business because it said she was at the scene with the knife in her hands. What proof are they looking for?
Sure.
Abuza umntana abantu. Utumela uthi I'm glad the court does not judge based on feeling but tangibly evidence. So all of you here will swear and curse but justice will prevail.
True that.
Shukuti.
True that.
Continue.
Na ngeke sa continue ngoba lo igama lakhe yo ungalifunde kami
Diebe. But I can understand why lo bala cause elina le buchi ene kila ngolja wa di bona logic ba di bo ke chip chichu wena ko
amporisi kabarisi
mutu awa izo lo da bilo about you
no
yazi intemporayo ne ngalento le labantu laba abakhomenta la abafazi bonke ingebe lento le yenzeke somehow ukuthi indoda estepe umfazi azafe lo muntu le ndoda le ngabe seyiboshiwe
straight
mara John van Riebeeck asimfazi ola uri it was self defense ke monna le ba bangwe mo ke ba guys everyone
but after John van Riebeeck ke basadi fe
so are focusing ko John van Riebeeck le na ke monna so that's one that's just how it is
na kahle na ile comment bengifuna ukuyifunda kakhulu uG boy uthi this is why GBV will never be supported by most men. Yangithola ngoba like amadoda noma wamshaya indoda manje hayi police station mawufika lapho bayofika bamhleke bathi ushaya umfazi abuya kwata kubulale athi wrong
cause abafazi manje baya hijackile le GBV say favor bona thina amadoda is favor and then gender based violence gender we are all in there mara no le na le hijackile mara ke na le maka
no are hijack listen I'm going back to his words he just said abafazi basha amadoda masiya police station so babo peace mawufika le bayakuhleka mawubuya uyambulala wena bawubethile usafitho usina ngalisiriti sa mapolisa tlotsheya tshwarisha motho nani nesishaya masifika le icase ibamba umfazi hi how are you and someone we get the kid classmate jarena now I've been there I know ufika ukrat hey this one knows you and also I would love to take this ones off cause no you are like this and then you have to face that person and she knows you I understand so Lilina don't have this thing out when you get there do what we are doing be consistent on the case until now bamba you drop uncle Lilina bar bracha
mara still uyoyivula kanjani case hawo
bawutheya kana
mabathi letha amaphepha
awungadisha statement tori khambini hozozo ngapha ukushawa umfazi mina lena ubicha kajeni wongala
mara guys basazonishaya ninesithunzi ngitratshile bakasobethwa balisiridi basazonishaya nathi we've been going there basihleba until they even said hey man wena kwena weekend special wayitseba Pina Brenda Fast you are that song
every weekend now more with you
every Sunday you're a friend with the mirror they've been laughing but we went there so when usane sithunzi bakutrapile well guys
so what do you encouraging to men ukuthi baye babophisa lapha bangabe ukuthi baye bahleka or bahleka babophisa lapha
guys mabatrapa bophisa if you and you feel like you are angiri bolela ka di gender what here if you feel like you've been abused as a man go there they laugh at you it's fine bophisa the lady after that ubulele bona ba case milayo South Africa ke mention unnecessary you will find something about those people who are laughing at you ba tshwarishe le bona can it
another thing rena banna re ya utshwarisa ne there is this tendency ya hore are yo motshwara but we are going there la lula fase la buledishana mara ge wena nna ko bethile thoma o ya o tla vene J4 kon lata
but guys how many okay sharp di vene J4 di tlotla di latane let us be honest ke di case di feng ja banna le basadi ba bethana tse le di bonang di tswele pele it's not like le rena basadi they take us serious when they gave their body no this is couples they have 4 kids together they need to sort this thing out imagine utumbile na kocheo the lemono la bona okay sir they just said we need to sort this thing out I fika o brush le rena ko bana kirna di ice ko mollo ramel terawelan it's not like nathi ama case which they've been solved ya ka bani unini bamtraposiswa ko ba isolve case akona but when we get there how many times they've been okay this is them they even call us them oh it's them again well you get my point so
I get it yeah
it's just like that guys as kissing
ya ubulediwa kuyayikriya ya uri like even abantu bakhuluma sisingabanayi leyo ngiya understand ukuthi ukunaka abantu ngeke like ugain next ukukhuluma kwabantu abazuzi next yangithola but mawufika epolice station lo muntu lo osupposed ukuthi like yena uthe ngifuna ukuprotect abantu mangithatha lo msebenzi not ukudiscourage abantu
not uzosihleka mazobula ama case lapha
ithola ipoint yethu not masifika lapha ya ungamnceda umuntu aphume ahambe umdiscourage maseka hambile ngeke ayizwe lo yonto leyo
exactly
guys whatever that you say now it's very nice we are passing the message to getting the lieutenant or ona maphodisa au jamegodi ementši who are willing to listen who are there to be the lieutenant the police because let me tell you something ne wa bona it's like you now addressing government wa itse government
yeah government
it's like you addressing government you know now whatever that you say in kama phodisa I think everyone says that and nabugogo bethu they've been we buried 100 people who've been saying that nathi so disbupe le bana ba rena batho ba bagwa ba ibolela nto guys wait some I want a government it's not gonna take us anywhere that's really re bolayana ke ka baka la tsona di bariki jolete and then we are lazy again to follow that case or Erike Motshwarisha because you know that it's not even gonna go anywhere. In South Africa you can be killed for 2,000 yeah
so 2,000 100 motho wa bolaiwa for 100
o phone la maphodisa wa re o mfana se next door o qeta go nkhiphela isibamo manje ba o fele bitso la case ba o fele the man who is in charge for the case and everything they don't even mind to send you an SMS or molato o tshwere ke lieutenant mphathele he will never come you do the follow-ups they will never
especially
1+1
spam
exactly 1+1 na le chelete and maybe they did go there but then they gave them something
I think ukuthi if Panyaza Luchofu ufuna ukuyenza amaphoyisa futhi or ama-green beans kwamele awayenze ngokuya emthethweni like lento bewuyisho ku-previous podcast ukuthi mhlambe lawo maphoyisa abe lama boom gate abasenzela wona lamakhasi abe nawo lama-green beans lawa ahlala patrola la.
True that, yes.
So not ukuthi like namanje makungathi kunesigebengu esingena la wafonela amaphoyisa ayofika after 2 hours or 3 hours
Khona umgoba ngithi.
Uh-huh.
Secretary like
Comrade. Wena do one and we have the facilities still they are very cheap. Dinali dimpempe.
abasayibethe these days.
Hey, lefele tiki moya.
Awa bushuru alisabethe mpempe bara bana le WhatsApp no re kalibicha ka di WhatsApp. Nana ke robeje go bona jwang ka WhatsApp group re ba tsenela.
Ba mphetja ka mpe and ba itshepa. And that's how mra ba se the no tare are. Ai man wena le tlo bala gwa lena na. Mo voice no tu. O bo bujo o re o srosina. Otlojo, you won't go. You won't. So it's like kunzima guys. But whatever that you sing about what is this? That's a good point. Elibulela yama. Yeah, because no whatever by me go guy. But there are 5 houses away from each and every pub. Hey, at South Africa, Lena. Hey, and now they know that you guys are there, and obviously you guys are getting drunk. No maganjan, you guys will take this road. By any more. Kore by the obvious things. But up. Why are they there? Where else people are busy now killing us here.
basha abantwana babantu ngempama.
Like truth be told, why are they there? Because if ever can na batho ba batho ba they drinking and what, do you know who no go to taverning ke rena le college 6? Because every day, every week, people are getting wasted, and they're always there. It's the same issue. There's xenophobic people. Yeah, they don't want them there, but every day, she said, you get my point.
Because
no, true. I get it. We work with them and we care. So if them you call that person. Hi, so now it's okay. Abafe 1.5. After 3 days, it's over able to look. When able to get like after 3 days, bam. Saying about she, Utor sometimes 3.5 hard. Get Mon, do like a mokolo if bo wish to have about to shank on Namela, or Talapolukisha Mapepo, the wall shabs into Anyek. After 60 shifted change. Oh, for Nell. I need to remember how you might go on around a malamo, on a government. Repelaka like this. Ah, Gallical says, oh, my guys. Singers, you know what? Senior song. Yeah. Senior song. That's true. Exactly.
Understand? So, post a video, it means saying, post.
Guys, you know, they don't even torture them. I can say when I went $100 that day, I feel like Nana Engora policeman.
Again.
That Kumal or whoever he's sending him is, I wish he be Kumal. I'm sorry about Kumal, but I'm telling you, Nana Enga, because these people are not difficult. You are rich. Because they want to be here. And when they understand why they're here. Cinema saying flying fish, fish and chips. What like a fish oil, try me now. And everybody try and it is right. Alone no weekend. Maybe I got a dick freeze yeah. I will. So you get my point. So Ntatula ubori nasa tondo metha mutuli. Abana batho ba la ba beto wena ho kono babamba any futhi nginayo shukuthi unalona ukasibe aggressive isola osina leona bamobamba bamobhuda ka spam and ola ababajeli phone going back to what we were talking about, they don't take their phones. You know why? Angiri banya ko phone le malumi phone le dinduna boso hi bye bambile my money my friend give me now to na bilo ngorumele baba wena batho ba le ba fiwa di cash send le na maphodisa mo a send di cash send. The Standard Bank e-wallet I'll receive. Better put like e-wallet 1.5 at the one about. So
then wa boya ka o sane ko re tshenya futhi mo mphakathing
guy after 2 weeks abe ba mo bamba lena la monja lena a rena government se se hole ke thapelo le Jesu.
straight wa bona no yona vela government yona re na yona chef ka o fela ba protect batho ba a o re ba hambe bona ba rawo a ba e fela ona motho a tlo ntshang maforina hore ba hambe why Ramaphosa Julius Malema ka o fela wa ke nya go tse hore why Julius Malema na ke understand ba re EFF le foundile ke Nigeria hore go bona go be le EFF ke understand why ba protect mara Ramaphosa ena why
e bona e fendile ne ganti EFF a se a una ntšha batho ko mo le Africa maloba a re maforina masfoko
o le tšineng
e wena hey la tseba le lena male magala ko ba batho kwa mo le Africa re they must focus no fondile ke manager male mo tla ka botsotsi o tlhakantshang leng wena
check history ya Malema o mpotse re EFF le tswa kae
na bile ke mmane ba go ba batho ko mo le Africa a ni na
o why ba ke mang o motho ne re monyaka o Bushiri ke ena Bushiri ke re ne ba monyaka ka di case tsa di meda what a flyer ya kwa mara shibambo go no flyer mo ya malawa ya church ya why ba founda ke bona batho ba le ke bona ba le ditšhelete ke no o tsosha party ya shibambo founda ke mang
hey guys auna ini
so that's why ba protect rango ena e teng gore maybe ke di mine tsa di zamazama because ba ke bona ba berekang ko di mine tsa di zamazama di company tsa bo McDonald ke bona ba berekang that's why ena ba protect
you know market le ka ba jajane na benka ba president le tlonyela ke a Limpopo bona go dia Durban ka dia ko Limpopo go ba le beach
o ba le boy dia sana le Dubai ka mogolo dira
la ntwa ke rene re tabere bukutra batho ba a re ra
a le hoteleng le ditiva fe
a ona ka mogolo go bona o molo mo o cabangela pocketing yakhe you know when ebanya ka re ba vote le ki I will me here for you every day lwena wa itshia le know as much as I'm saying I want to vote this year ne or whatever because I don't know where I'm going but again even if I'm not voting I get sale ke votela ntatola batho tlo go fetjeng gale sham na pele ke rena ba bagolo na sale ke
votela Mandela
na pele sale ke votela Montela morana Monte ke nomolo
yo mara na sinza zanga no vote zanga no register vote zanga next
no phela
ko vote wa santse ke vote ke re bona gore batho ba ke di ice boy ba romiwa
a re no vote mfana
president mo leng wa itsana mo e ja chele
wa bona wa tseba wa ke go motse a ke understand next ka tsa di
ka politics ta sa ke nyakile le wena moraka ke sha politics re ka gona o bole
politics
go za bona le no ke story sa politics
le mas neng ne ke ya ko di resal ko Ivory ka hlakana le ke di street committee ko Ivory re king ba tshwere di paper le lengwe la re wa sign as youth le wa tsentja le di issue tsa how maybe the crime the potholes the tsa etse biao like ke vedile ka sign because I was in a hurry lori inyi
outside
ba rutla vote ngwana ka ba tla sendela SMS okay ntata sharp
ba se sendela SMS o register vote
ngivotele nanga ngizovotela mina
ngivotele election ese
yinde
zikhona ephala khona liso manje ulithi yini party velo berikoro
yo
oberikoro
nalaba
so mina understand
hayi ukuthi iziningi ezethu zabantu abamnyama mara ezabelungu namabhuni iphathe 1 iDA ne barking ingwe ngilebetse amahuru man
waiting for
salubi
Perry.
kani salubi kwani
isalona kufanele plus ora barking na isalona emaburu
wena lo
ke ubuja ke
correct
mara sinsazwa ngayo nini lo uzenza umuntu omdala uyabona mongothi uphela nomuntu wamthola beka incwadi nje esigibelene so uqoba kobuthatheke
ona vele kuyabala check barking setsho ukuthi ayingaka ama politics la abathina ama party la we South Africa uze bari kufanele plus ora barking particular la ka yona ke amabure ndene makho ke DA rena tsarna batho ba ntse ke more than 10 ya di party
awusari 10 o mongwe maloba ko Metro FM he just said o bula engwe so
nagana
o tswa ko ke into ya lena ANC o bula engwe and then they're asking him the question didn't make sense you failed to go ANC why do you want us to believe you now
exactly
I am a better person now karena ene ke mogala ene le ganeletse Le
Tama ka.
kganeletse.
Wena kana ko ba ra thoma o re 60 years sa retire.
O
Wena
tshwana-
ba fitile 60 ka mola mara ba retire.
ke re a tse ke bomalong ba ba feng a bona ka mokgwa ba ganeletseng ko ditulong ke bomalong ba le ba senya ko ja magadi a bana ba rena wa botse bang ke
Yeah.
a o kry no ba so o nyadisitse mamao le mamao o sa le gona o sa re o la ba tseba ke party tša rena a ona nto e tlo lokang kae aikho o sa checka Van der Wijk
yebo kusacheka Van der Wijk.
What do you guys think about Botswana? Na ke proud ka Botswana, ka president ya Botswana. E ganne go meeta Barkman Donald Trump ko America.
le nna ka re bona ke a mo rata
Akere.
I know no I'm not that I sort ke mara ona le matshepa yena mara ya idileng ke yona
Ke
and ya
yona.
motshwanela though I believe if you know how strict he is go Botswana o tlo bona whatever that he did ya motshwanela
Ene bare ke ka reng. Area shooter man. Kokotele mos. Ma parents a win no bona tse.
Eish.
Ya bona. Ai, ke sanya ka hore o ene o boletse point e nngwe hore if wena o bone something so interesting go Botswana, why o sa ke go Botswana o re ke o bolela ka yona nna o santse o lois nna re ke go wena ga ne Trump ena ke modimo wa rena na.
and I am very proud of him o tshwana
How?
go China mo kula go China
Exactly.
ka re viva China
How?
and o tse gore ntho le sa
China
itsebeng
ya
ka
rata
China
Yo.
tla ke le botse China ke Adolf Hitler jwaje if le tseba
Ne.
history la bona di he bona dipomo tse di batla di o tse rena o sa nang ka re o tshwere dilo a re lo tse la re ba dileng ka tsona China no e dia bomb ya di brand o tlo re o re la nya ka moka la toloa China ke
Wa tsore Trump o domile ke mamba ke mam fano. Misha food.
nagana
Tu domile ki Elion.
a modom o mo latlhile
O molahlile straight.
o itse o mo latlhile
And no why wish America ga nyana America ke tsana iketsene sana le Zimbabwe e rapela re.
botse America ke nyakiwe nne ke nyako eno ema ka mogelele e ska pele e ska berao ba hafa le ka mmusha hape mara guys why did you do that to yourself I fail to understand
How?
why did they give him
Another chance.
I don't even want to say chance because he doesn't even deserve those way dear chance motho a zanka ba ena from the beginning so botse America e ela pile you guys are tired ile nya kotla mo guys re dade mo
Ah, mo wa re salnya.
Guys, we are very
full.
full.
Maburu, ba keepeng ka mo.
le tere le diskeleton ja boko kwa rena
How?
So kopo botšiša nna re tla boya ke green
Yeah.
ke nnete nto ya gore Donald Trump le Nicki Minaj ba
O ithatha point.
okay maybe
Hey.
AI.
Keep kwam.
Maybe ke AI
Mina ngezi ukuthi usinyele.
ke manyileng
Trump usinyetse go. Guys, alive bona. O ka re ke diritile ne video eno tsebo. O tinyetse Trump by first speech. But the journalists before can we ask a question ba bantsha ka speed or ba gone go mo montsha ka di
wa le bone a ke nyako bone
serious o check go check le video na like motho na eme mo pelo mo yena o thomara o bontse re go there's something wrong ka
o
Trump.
jile le file Trump eng
No ba rona le rona le yona disease eo ka re ya o ba lose.
ba re ba re ya le bele ba onya o no tinyela
That's why I wish America wa bona ra e fail.
guys bolugu ba boloi ai khola no I want that video ke go fe
Go send it like go check go send le yona.
please check this video out.
Breaking now, leaked reports from the West Wing of the White House suggest that Nicki Minaj and Donald Trump have been involved in a secret relationship for months. This isn't political support. It's a personal affair. Insider sources say Nicki's visits to the White House happen outside the official schedule, always at unusual hours and without any public record. The most serious detail, Secret Service agents reportedly said that Trump orders hallway cameras in the residence to be turned off whenever she is in the building. Internally, she is said to have been given the codename Pink Star. The situation has already affected the family. Melania Trump hasn't been seen in Washington for 3 weeks. Sources claim she discovered private messages exchanged between Trump and Nicki and decided to move back to Trump Tower in New York. Another sign raised eyebrows. Nicki recently appeared where
yini nazi so politic mina ngizibuze
Keep it calm straight le kwam le.
ile wa mfofa
Mara it can happen o mtse ba Trump re sele jwa.
No, Mara, guys, what is this guy AI? I'm so scared.
AI re
No, it's
senyetsa
very
dilo you know
wrong.
not know bana ba iberekisa serious ba yena ba isebenzisa in the wrong way AI manje serious.
Mara, no, what the fuck?
And if you can bathi differentiate ukuthi le AI le akusi AI uzobelieve yonke into because lento leyo ungathi real baba.
Mara angisho ukuthi akusi AI ne, but ngibukele I almost 10 times le video mfethu.
Why
Like,
crash ka Nicki Minaj
No,
Shake stand.
ufuna ukubona ukuthi AI or kanjani angithi AI uyayibona ukuthi
Ubonini?
AI.
Ubonini?
Hayi
Awubonanga AI.
Uboneni?
Ubonini?
ah
You so love. I wena rdlowet. Guys, it's so real. Kuri lika mkhwa cabuza na.
Yo.
Mara unobona uri Trump ke wow Trump. Abolo rai mkhala wathuthumela. No ayiyo. Niki ka mmolai.
Hey.
Ka ngcwafela.
Aish.
Mara
No, it's a
uye,
lie.
bro, Nicki.
Mara allegedly coming back to ukuthi how many parties do we have? We have 13 parties.
13.
Yes. ANC, DA, MK, EFF, and where's etc.
Etc.
Angithi izikhiphe 4.
Mina ngithi sozikhiphile mos. Ulo Trump wakho.
Bengisafuna ukubuyela ku Trump angithi ngintshele ngo Trump. Bhatata ehlangane namazambane.
But wabona tasoli internet isa khona ulikiriya. This is how complicated this is, guys. And internet into only 4 that matters. Then the rest
Get extras.
we are him. Usadi nyaka
Kusathi nyaka dikriyal.
ile internet ya dirani.
Dikriyal.
Lama party afana nathi. Thina singcono mongasibhalo itlontshe TikTok nyana lady. Sikhona nyana ku.
Aish.
Bayifuna ke mina ngithengisa.
Eish guys. Naphela.
Okay.
Ke papa kunkumara ba motho wa shoot. Ka ba ukhala ka baka la rena. Yes, bafethu ukuthi I do sell houses bafethu. So ngine 2 bedroom lana bafethu ise twata bafethu. Let me see. Itwata ise Pinoni ne. Pinoni area. Known for consistent total demand and easy access to keys amenities. Set a well-sized 200 SG. Yeah. Lento ephalela yini le?
Hema.
Makisenya ko vona re. Oh. The stand currently accommodates 2 separate 2-bedroom houses, each with practical layout suitable for rental accommodation. These existing dwellings allow investors to generate income from day one while planning for further development. This property has 6 outside rooms bafethu with an income of 9,500 per month. It's fully gated and fully walled. So bafethu, you know, if you want the house bafethu, you can call or WhatsApp the number on the screen, which is 067 000 7870 bafethu. Call your agent lefa the house is only 650,000 bafethu. Ise Pinoni etwatwa. So people that like to invest in houses, le house levathi yakwazi ukunika 9,500 per month in ama room ngaphandle, so you can go and do the best investment there, because we know the best investment are from ekasi bafethu. Yeah uyitholile
Nangifaka izinto zenu complicated lezi zinto lezi ingifaka ku 10 politician parties ebuyise 4 types of power.
And wena usalo munyana.
Hey.
Askizi.
guys la yokula praise la ya last vari shemara besha
Guys, this one I cannot answer.
le praise the last vari maphumu kwere kungena umuntu le yokupola amazulu afa kuna le ngono mare kumele kungene ikhakha la phumishangana ungene ikhakha.
Yeah. Awu bathi siphume thina.
Sifuna ukutshala izihlahla ethe ngonyama ukutshala izihlahla amadolobha abe manje. Sifuna ukutshala izihlahla la kusuka ishangana ungena isihlahla.
Ngizwa. but isipho
Sifuna ukutshala izihlahla ethi ingonyama kushaya izihlahla amadolobha abe manje. Sifuna ukutshala izihlahla la kusuka ishangana ungena isihlahla.
so bathi
So yazi I think
abasho mabhinqa ukhuphuka indaba okay
lana ukuthi like akuthabona labantu abathengisa estradini like emapaving kumele ngithi vele government my pave ifake isikhakha my pave so kusho ukuthi bona bakhiphele ikhakha bafaka isitoko sabo labantu laba that's why bathi baphumisha ngani ukungena isikhakha labo
eish
yethola
so okay asibuye la
yeah
so okay so makuphuma leshangani lesihlahla lesi sibanceda ngani
isikhakha sisinceda ngeoxygen muthi ufuna ukuthini
Hey.
kanti wena wazi ukuthi isikhakha sisinceda ngebreathing
angali isho
that's why ithinya ukwenzela example maye kuma suburb ubreathe another different fresh air bra
Iqiniso,
than
leyo.
like us
Iyabheshile.
yo
akenya kumisha go disaba go tlo musha gole a no dia 13 rand tankere a ye peshile a fitla peshile a namela e go tlo go re guys a se gole mohema gona o re a fetsa o tlemo
ukhuluma ngesaba pisolo bengisestain city do you know Stain City
Yeah.
it's a city on its own
uzweni
Hmm?
uzweni
ngizweni kanjani
Like,
he doesn't even remember how kunjani because ke motholo
ungaremember kanjani ujuluka abengayalanga ukuthi ngiyosavela
Uyenzani?
bengiyojuluka lapha
Uyasebenza?
bawo
umbojuluka kahle yabona noma ule noma ungasebenza noma wazi lokufuna noma ungahlala khona unathekza amatamati ilanga nithutheleke ilanga lakhona le wangikwishisha mo waswamo
mari
wamo you die
ngeke sithi ile yabona ngalene like nemvula yakhona inothi sasara yayizo zakhona engathi kumunye umhlaba awuthami ngithola it's ilayiding isithi egrand protected nakada kugcwele ihlahla so engathi like ungayibeka kanjani mabakukhathela istand basusa ihlahla nje kuphela yangithola awusa understand like okay isithi ukuthi basala akha yangithola kusana ide kufana nabo ma 45 70 so yabona ngithi basa builder amanye amalento zakhe
in development in development basa builder like
sure basa builder ama properties
wena uyenzani
abe bengithola enye piece job
sifale ngithengisa izindlu ubuye kumanye development awungitsheli
wenzani
bengikhohliwe mar serious like bathengisa izindlu lapha boma indlu apartment yakhona not ingane jaradi like istand nje kuphela 3 million
wena boyenzani
more than 3 million futhi next door ngathi bekuyindla yaka mayor minister engathi mall
wena boyenzani lapho
ezinye nami okay
African breeze guys we have to go to Stain City neza bathi ngiza lapha sicala nge3 million guys we have to go there
boyenzani lapho
bengiyosebenza
wenzani
oh bengifaka amadrati idrat yabona mabakhathela yeah first drat mabakhathela iapartment ukuthi izometa la then sayivala ngale
onelijarate
yeah ukuthi baakhele lapha phakathi
but what was so difficult for him to say that
How?
I've been saying wena boyenzani I even had to kiche base nyana ngoba ngwana unkari utlakali ukadilo nyana ngikwashithe ke wena boyenzani lapha
angithi ngiyakufundisa ukuthi bengiyasebenza ikambe kumele ukuthi uthi what type of job
awuko interview awutontisha jona je ngwana untositse guys atsiba manje ndiyazibuza ukuba ubulaka lithethi lamo kore now it's like unale connection wena boyenzani lapho 30,000 30 million next door le mayor wakorwa utlori butsa ditaba wena guys uspecialize ngokudonsa so if unyaka stene kuwe hayi le ina ke le tseba bamphathele mfana ko hona shu yes where there's a bush wafita
yeah
angit
yeah futhi le ndona yambe ngihamba nayo engathi sengiya advertise la manje like engathi uyenza everything nama like electric fence yeah izinto ezikanjalo sure
oyinduna
ya
ndo
induna
umtshela unduna lethi imali simadvertisele vele
abasho ayinjani
Guys, connection ishidi.
hey neza ngithi mara sipali maro ungibalisa inhliziyo ubuya kunye development awutshela
simfethu ende like lapha
kunama agent kunamabhodi abhaliwe ukuthi agent bani
angiwabonanga ngoba lapha
Sasesigangi uhlabana nje.
no akusasesiganga bakhona bahlala they are beautiful houses yo
Next to mayor. Oh,
ungikhulumisa wanifa uzongishayisa wena angazi akusimundle kabe awu
umeyo mufi okuke. Ke baba inji.
maybe level
so noma ngathi minister sazi ukuthi yipi minister but ukhona lapha enye indlu like basa akha
And Stain City is very new. Stain City is very new. So if there's a mayor or a minister kulonko Stain City, message ulwetsi bheke. Chalo tijarina.
Ket makala
Awubona lapho umkhiphile mfana. Into oyithomile ngizoyicela.
khiphe kwami ngoba kulanda thina singeni
I'm there to support them. Bafuna refer something.
mina ngithembe ngiyosebenza le zokuthi ama-mayor banongifaka mina
Yeah.
Stain City. Meyakele leshitshili yakwa. Re le broke so. Hey, a re ba komile. Ke a o rata wena. What's ngwana una Shut up and you breathe. Nkatla go ngwana.
yeah welcome back bafethu besathathe break
We had to take that one.
hey ukuthi bese uphasazi
Sesibuyile.
konje besikuphi besila
yeah hashtag akusase we are here manje manje
Ne?
yeah
hey akusase we are here manje
yeah.
effects and laughs hey
Yeah,
kunenye
bengisasho ukuthi uhambe ucheck Eastern City
yeah
ya unga
la uthukala khona kansela
nee
No, I don't like that mic.
uchori kubusetse kwa
Yeah. Why him?
ya uhambe ucheck lapha kunama property fresh abantu mhlambe nabo abanemali mara bafuna abantu abanemali
And it has no connection. It needs you and the people that you are working with, because you know everything about the mayors and whatnot. Unless if you connect us with them, then
Nizokubophisa
you connect us with the person okutsheleng indlu kameya. Then we will take it from there. Rena jwaje.
abantwana babantu guys bangangibophi
You-
ngithe allegedly
Yeah.
angikho sure ukuthi yaka mayor noma yaka minister
mangiyela phanye uthengisa nale ka minister sibali
Please.
I wonder
the property worth about 40 something
cabanga mina ngiyophuma ngemalini lapha yo
They'll just negotiate with him. Una nagaro tuphuma ka ke South Africa mo. Do you
Hayi,
think that they'll give
yela
you something?
negotiate we ile percentage ya teng or if I sell your house you have to pay me this
So-
Everything ibeilwe na una mtho ikiriya.
mola e khone mola
Paul iya.
ke o botsa kere mola e khone go botsa le wena no ka re ke ko wena wa re go nyakela bahiri go signisa document or mo if go nyakela bahiri ka RTP is 1000 rand ka single room 500 if am patel 500 ke la right or ke ba ntse batho ba
Wena na.
a ke re sign agreement
Aba ba jo ke tla kira ba bang. Khantha ntse batho o thubile room. A sa thubi room. A sa thubi room. Ha ba jo ke tla kira ba bang.
so ntokse understanding ku re mole like ntluele ba reka cash or ke tsa di installment or tsa
it depends if you want to buy cash you can buy cash
Mara me yena.
go solisa 3 million cash
Ke beke ele e ya ulwetse. Me o bona me o hana ka yena. That's what re ka mo kukula re tlo re ke ma.
hey ana
Re
sa
tlo mo
tsere go go
kiriya.
straight
Guys, re boya mo re tlo botsa le Vito la ye. Angere ba ke Vito.
yeah Vito right
Yes, Vito ra yena. Yes, le mbile. Re ba mo re tlo botsa Vito ra yena le ke sefane ke.
Shibongo
Mara lo tse di simple tseba. Ke shibongo. Ke nyopala.
unana xikwembu ro phela batho ke sure o jeri abele o jeri success ka ofela sa khona ro xikwembu
Awa, this
Awa.
person. Walitsa le Vito la. What's your name? Can you please give them your full name?
Shihla Mariso
Akapala ke xikwembu. Yena ile shi. Wakwa.
motse ro thomele ngo pronounce le bitso la ana le 5 years or 10 years
yeah
Ke mo profita. Ke mo profita. ke mo porofita and tse ke kgatla ke ngwa dumela o ska maganetse re kwa ka yena ye una o ka banga tsufana naye phela lena he took time
lefa
hence le no a kgetho re no ba
parking 4 letters lefa
there's more into
nagana
that
xikamaris ka many letters ke paragraph phela
tlhamarisho mamara se fane ke mang xivongo ke mang oh ai mara modimo ko mogolo o bone go tlo ba boimamo a no ba xihlamvarisho xa ko le lesi ntse no ba zayela ba tlwele ino ba ku ri ba mo tlwele ngwana o bone xihlamariso khoza wa ifeleja
No, it's not Khoza. It's not ZA. It's SA. Khoza. Not Khoza.
o na le zal
Bo Khoza ki bo Mazulu.
mazulu
oh hey yo
matsawa
Yeah.
hey guys re tletse ene a re tsebane
why o ka re la the page
oh go na le khoza le khosa
Yeah.
nna ke tseba sa khoza ya ke itse mane ke phosho ke tsama le sa khosa ke yona mfana
Oh, tsebe Mazulu.
busikhosana ke mazulu
busikhosana ka mazulu
o re ke wala ka mo mazulu
khosa ile gale ke ya mazulu vele
askisile la mazulu go rena lena mo ay ro ke
Njengoba bathi amazulu asho ukuthi maphume ishangane ngingena isihlahla.
phumishangano ngene isikhathi
Mara mina isangidla lento le abantwana
Ibudla kanjani?
Hayi, abantwana abantwana ba rentizeni ba try ukuzitholela income lapha ya. Wena
mara
baphume
bangakhiphi ihaga
aw understand yazi isho ukuthini lento le bona bayibuyisela kahle akiro bona mona mo tla ku boje wena wa itse bataba kana I think they did it now man sakhula lapha eKalfanten bayenza lama pavement lapha babe ya metlhare ele ya rena bana ba geography ra ku sure angisho at least moya wa rena o tla ditsebela ka ska lebelo dimere oi wa mara tla le mojieng you understand mara manje la bu mama sibandlula lapha ya bonke ke mifukile minja no wa bona re ba enzani manje se ba khipile sa sihlahla ba dirile mokhukhu la bona wa o rekisha marketing la bona nae ba ithushi ko ba lipulena
bangathengiseli lapha nsi kwesihlahla.
abasilahlasela libila asawuthengisela hopola ba beya sihlahla sesihusha ke metlhare nice ya hema those trees they help us kama hema
and at these days but you need a permit ukuthi uthengise estradeni
wena utla ka taba tse
That's why
dintsi
serious ke ka re ke na le sona story sa
Oh,
ona
that's why
You need
baba
to permit
toshile
hore ke-
nasemajobek. Ongibonela
ba re
la.
o tla le proof of resident le ID leng na le 240 I think
Yeah.
o kre permit ro re ke o be vendor
hey ba ba di ejimi khukhunyana
even la sna mkhukhu be le tese tafla ya o tshwana le na you have to have a permit or ke a rekisha
lena la re tloela tseba le nyaka rena le be le di-permit le hirile batho ba tloga di-permit jesus ke itlile ka mang ke le ya hae ke le ya motho wa tlileng ka molao ana no ana permit o mo ropa lete moro o tlo nyaka go kwa ka di-permit o rekisa di-halls 250 stock wether lena le tlo swapa ya bona e a re cancele a re bolele ka yona permit for what
Mara I think
Mara
maybe-
mina nya understand like ba try kubacosha ngeindlela zonke.
ba ka se
or
ba
ba
bona
avoid le story le se ore ba rekishe di parking na majari mje
Guys.
Kanti iqiniso lento le.
abantu bagila thola ukuthi nathi sigila sazi kunini se half crash siya kupho kupho hey sorry half crash
Yo.
not like
Like those snacks that you eat, they make them at the backyard.
exactly
Yes, lama keka bo my friend.
eh la sayibona vele laba yenza khona
Just
kune
look for
captain
my
esbolile
Like you guys are asking for protection and denying it at the same time.
What the F?
You didn't know.
You know what? I feel like I need to dig harder and I need to ask my grandmother a lot of questions because obviously there's something else I'm putting on. Na guys asina motho wa ka mo. Botse nna ke na le goa ke nna fandimiere ke tswa ka ko state. Ka mo ke tla ka mamaka so I don't know a lot of things. Guys you are suffering le pele jwang. Limpia.
Mara serious wa bana dilo tše di tletsi like bathi nasemabhodwe ngizokhuluma ezinye na. Bathi
Khuluma,
nasemabhodweni
ngiyayifuna.
walabantu laba baphekela ema-taxi rank la. La phakathi la maybe bafaka ama-private party.
Akabani?
Indoda nomfazi. Yabona. Angithi bayazi ukuthi lento le ehlanganisa abantu. Ngithola so they
yizo ze tractor ma customer
yeah obvious angithi ihlanganisa abantu le
so laba botla wangaphansi wona kahle kahle nama private
vagina ne penis.
ngaphezulu inyama lesikhaya Athukelisa ngezinye today.
Allegedly.
Uzungubani usithathe
Awusasondisa ukudla renke sibalo. Ukudla kwaserenke kumnandi kanje.
uzungubani bakutsheleni
Abantu angithi abantu bayazazela ukuthi like abantu ba-attracta kanjani abantu yabona. Obviously lezi zinto lezi izinto ezihlanganisa abantu obvious. Yangithola. So
So kusho ukuthi igeni lesibheni ngeke zize lapha. According to wena.
banazo lezo zinto.
Oh.
Banazo.
Mara ngithi is different.
mara wena ke lesbian tsena ka imo
Akere ore ntotsela di attracta. Batho di akakana ke re obvious.
akere gay ba rona le monna le mosadi ka kwa kere gay ja monnola
Mara, okay.
na pile lesbian le tlabe le ja yele ya mosadi ke di no thaka mara
Ngicela ukubuza mina aye ukhawazwa igay or lesbian athi mina ngiyodla umthuso.
Yaba ya besebenza nabo
Ama-gay.
lesbian. Oh.
Nigay.
Hayi kangazi ngasebenza lesbian ngabona
they eat they love those food.
Chomi just kopa.
They love eating they can even cook them ba tlabe ba lapile re jale batho
Attracta nabo yabona.
Ucabanga ukuthi usomisa kake isikopho wena.
Angishonga nje angithi mina bengitry uku-answer i-question yakho ibuzile
Hayi,
ukuthi
hayi.
nabo igay ne-lesbian iyaba involved.
bonga ans boso wena wenza ngathi bona badlile baja murdu libile yo wena ja ke batho ba rena bale e re bitsa ka ofela ke le private party mara guys is like no atsa yampi I'm not happy with it I need some
Azakubona story se. Yo.
mara mogodi a ona mpio ba le mogodi angere guys
Mtjena mogodi. Ikaka jwang isina mogodi.
na pile mogodi mara mogodi a mpie ke nana ka ra o tseba
Mogodi ke mogodi, o bolela nnete.
I'm not happy
Kanti South Africa sesodla ini
Mara
kanti manje?
sayidliwa lento lezi China, if isakhiwa.
Kusechina la.
Mara is the animal if isikwazi kudla inkomo, what is the difference between ukwinja? Ngoba inja umgodo weyalo wala ikasi.
But
Kinto ke bolela.
na inja idla izinto ezi-different mana ye
Inkomo ihlafunye plastic ufuna ukuthini sibale inkukhu igana ngoba inkukhu idla ingulube idla amasimba.
go ge ja le go ge ja masepa
Jalo nana lapha tshari jamalana rena ibile special rena mapedi.
guys aki happy angkhumale no this one is not nice
kanti sesodla ini South Africa.
Yoki.
I'm not happy with
As long
this
as
one.
re saje motho. It's fine.
But you
You
don't
know.
You don't even know.
Abare
How
motho
many
a
people
botho.
go missing in a day?
Abare motho.
Nangusi lo wase-KZN bekafraya mara womntwana.
Ukaka ingwe.
Awukazwa futhi bekuyinye i-podcast yase-KZN yaconfessa lo moleli ukuthi thina sithatha abantwana namantwana like
Webheke nami.
na
Oh.
futhi like abantwana abaphelela ku-9 years so ngoba ey'buni zabo zisase-soft so ziyakhona ukuvutha bayabathatha bayababulala bakhatha iy'buni yangithola bazifraya
Malini lebulu
athi and abantu bayeza baningi bayadla and akusimi ngiyi-one kunabantu abahlukahlukene like i-KZN abahlukahlukene
bathengisa
ya bona bayacaba ukuthi masithole umntana oso thina sicova ibuni siceda kunomunye umuntu odila nezinye izinto mara serious ngikhuluma iqiniso mfethu inkinga ngiyekhohlwa ukuthi yini igama
So where
like njengenyama enhloko so
Uyayipheka.
abantu bayadla
cut roto thatha
serious ngizokucheckela yona i-podcast yakhona ngizokucheckela yona
yakuphi yase-KZN?
yase-KZN
No,
but yena ubuso bakhe like bebabuvalile ngoba like angithi ukukhipha igaca so and
Don't you think as much as abo Moja Love are scripted, some of the podcast may be scripted?
I don't know lapho ngoba kuze athi ayayikhipha le ndaba ukuthi
bafrewa kusibuni
untshontshe like ubulala umntana kwamakhelwane
utshontshe umntwana mbulala
yeah kwamakhelwane so lo mntana bese kamzingela angasakhona ukuhlala nalento le athi
Ngiyambhokela.
yeah athi mina sengiyayikhipha lento noma labantu engisebenza nabo bangibulala or bayenzana ngisana ndaba ngoba
Manje
ngisakhona ukuphila
wayezovala
nabo.
ubusifa akasana ndaba.
I don't know. Akusimbe ngule podcast. Oh
Exactly. It's scary.
He doesn't want to be known that like family and close friends are gonna know.
Asana ndaba.
Wa muko o rile jwalo o rile ha sana taba a no bolela no wa once a no wa
Asana taba.
If it's the whole world coming after her, it's gonna be bad.
Oh,
so
Lord.
It needs to be like the people that knows her.
eh
Marapela is like saying, I want to kill myself for your robaloko ko skontiring e koloi ka ngite e comply ya tswana le mtheo.
Hoitla I ten ke I ten as kisi ra di company go le jo ra di rata e di re tšea mo di re fitlha mo di go di re tšere golo mara hoitla I ten ke a ka se kishe feel mara hoitla di ka kapare go le jana fili ra ema I ten no you still like her don't take me wrong
but I think as asho sisi ukuthi ucabangele isithunzi sakhe kumndeni wakhe ukuthi bazothini.
Guys, my
Kungcono
family
labantu
knows
laba
me.
asebenza nabo bamazi bona. Akanandaba nabo but ifamily yakhe yena uzothini ngoba if maybe kuyayenzeka ukuthi uyayikhipha lento le bakhuluma nale family leya bayisota out ayejela phuma uyobuya kubani ngoba nefamily yakhe isayomzonda yangithola izinto ezikanjalo.
Ari mtholi because now my family knows me even if ke cover mo la nkwa kere normal ka ngcover ka moka I ke no bolela fela they know me.
Marapela na baisa ora itseba vele.
No, everybody knows. Ayikho leyo. Oh no ba asile. Gala o bola ke o bola mara wa bana. O ka se tšere ra ngwana wa le dia steak.
Wa rekisha.
Di bitša hae.
Bana ba rena ba gona 30 rand o rekisha boka steak seo man.
Mfethu
Oh, phela.
Mara motho wa jiwa.
Oh, hey.
baji kokazeni bajile labo bathi bakusukisha ngene isihlahla
Yeah. Ba re le ga fihla ke marao.
hayi angisho kanjani
Abana. No, they're saying it's not you who are saying akusukisha ngani ngene isihlahla. Ke dilo tšela le ba di dija ke tšela. Ke di chop and chop. Mi drinko se abana. Ah, mara go senyegile. This one is not nice. I'm so scared. But it is what it is. I believe we can try that one with one of us here. I don't think I get we've been through a lot of things. Sometimes you're busy chopping the cabbage, you chop yourself. I get.
Ah, you understand there.
No, we want to. I get to chop someone like you guys. Lebanina, dimbogot I get lebanina. Banna. Rekata monwana nyana so re tlaka re nya go fry. We want to guys re fry le tlalo.
experiment
Mara go taste wena umnikazi wetlalo lakho cause akuzo ja tlalo lawo.
Bana ba makhosa ba ba ripang minone ya moya ya ka yona.
Awe ekitse wa mare. Ishala sipetlele cause apparently
spekele ke culture phela ila e ba ispekele.
Kakayo.
Ka ga yela
Ka-
culture.
lina le baripa ka ngicela ukunibuza bethunana. Nibakhatha ngantona babantwana?
No.
10 so nina nibakhatha
Kahle,
apha
kahle.
niphinde futhi niba
yabona
maxhosa ke dimbokodo.
yabona masingaya ngamakhosa like ngeke siye ndawo
Why?
Why?
Hey lina ikwa.
ha
Why utinyeke sendawo?
like amakhosa like baphile engathi baphile emhlabeni wawo uwodwa
What do you mean by
Isa
that?
ngazo. I'm listening.
Shukti.
like mawungaya emakhoseni the way baphila ngakhona like it's like mawumntwana omncane uphila kabuhlungu mawukule kasi lakho leli aye ekasi lami ngeke ungene
Basaphila le culture le.
yes
Uyithatha phona le nto ekhulumayo.
mfethu ngiphila namaxhosa mfethu
Mina ubhuta uMsistin Cape yasebenza ngale. Urana ini content.
yeah mara nyasho ukuthi not angisho ngithe kumanya amalentuzana ama like ngibika kanjani villages yeah yangithola basaphila leyo nto leyo
Sure.
Hey wena uthi.
ngithi mina
Hey. Motho o tswa kwa gole kwa o tseba.
Ke nana nka re lebile o tswa ko menya maxhosa. Akere nana. Re tlo kwa ditaba mo. Ngwana una le digaca lena. Wena.
Hayi.
So ungitshela ukuthi manje amaxhosa ne angeke usukela we ngale ebhoni like wena no batrapana ba bonana
yeah babulayana lo bulayana
Oh, ba fela.
ka ubutsha
batho ba fedile
Yabona-
kwa makhoseng
eh,
ba fela
serious kunale story
Abathola zokushaya.
mara
Ukutshela
serious
lokhu-
ngitshela iqiniso kunale story lesibe ngokutshela ngaso lesi sokuthi kwamele
Lesi sifuna
sisithu
ukusibhale, ya.
sure ucabanga ukuthi ngisicove story samampela umuntu uyabhantita abhantitela amacala omntanakhe yangithola umntanakhe ohambe ayosukela umadala afika amshaya ambulala umshaya kabuhlungu like uyabona lengele induku zabo
Yeah.
amshaya endaweni errong ambulala then ngoba sasemncane obaba khamthathela icala athi hayi mina ngizomiyela ejele maye sekakhulile lo mntana lo sekasejele noba bakhe basejele
Bayithi.
abasaphumi
So lento le
Yini?
is true story.
yes
Lo muntu lo bekakutshela yenzekele kuye or yena ukutshela ngento eyenzekele kumakhelwane. Ulakha.
yo batho
uyaziyazi ngila
isha man lo
Ulakha isibanya kubuza.
inzima lokho ishi
hayi ngilakho ukuthi ngokutshela istory angi-investigate shoot angithembi kahle kahle
you are telling the story but you are being interrogated now this thing has turned into investigation
Usamurije. Kukumuntu rage ngoyena or ke cousin ya yena. Because ke true story you understand.
and only you know how true it is onya go ngwalela ka sona guys this is a true story
Ora rongwana ka ntirling show ka yena.
like
This is too good. Why
Man-
are you questioning it? Why are you questioning it?
no una taba tshedintsi but no a re bolele
mara serious umuntu like angitsheli le story ne
Yeah.
like umuntu le ntwana liyabeka khula nayo uyangithola sure bekakhula nayo
Le
bayenza.
yeje.
le ejele lwahlangane nobaba khejele manje
yeah
I think you know this person I love the person who told you that story you know why because when amanye amajita nikhula nonke every day sihlezi sisonke as time goes umcoco uyaphela kunokubhora kokuningi nale ngcoco zamachirisi siyabhora because kulobona latsebela norayo yafana wena ubambi wabona into ezinjalo so he was like let me just come with something interesting ukubonile vele ukuthi umuntu othanda ukulalela and umuntu othanda ukuxoxa you understand athi hayi man let me come with something interesting you get my point let me just give this guy something I love him
nah but
and le story lesakutshela sona I love the fact ukuthi sikubambile and you remember the story more than him
nah like ukuze angitshele le story
yeah
like
ola mulitse
like angali the story singaba samanga somehow ne but hayi ukuthi lo muntu ngikhule naye like besibuya kuma reza like asijwayelenanga nokujwayelana bekuyi first time esihlangana mina
that one year iyenza
no
worse
like ikhosa lo muntu lo uyangithola so ngambuza ukuthi why emaxhoseni niphila so athi haya lento osho yona ukuthi akuse wonke like Eastern Cape kanjalo some villages is kanjalo uyangithola nala ngiphuma khona sacoca ngicocela naleso story leso
going back to my statement
Yeah,
here njong
ukuthi
okay
bese
angisho
already-
ansa ke motholo re nele joko dire esaleng ngiyayithanda lento ishilo abona manje iyenza lento abavele ibe yiyo straight bona
And
mo
uyazi ukuthi
ukuthi umntana abantu artist
wayikushisha
It's like an actor kind of
wayikushisha
understand?
wayikushisha and ubona ukamkhomo ufila ngathi no mutheleja ari okutlo mutsho re kina mandi ngixhosa mna and loza nginikeze attention ndimo ayifani amo ayimani aguri ayixelele umfana ngiyamthanda shem igama lakho ubani I want to give him some ubani igama lakhe
emihle emzade manje bathi emzade bani he's a hip hop singer hip hop wamapiano he's a producer kahle kahle he's a vocalist
you know now he's making it very very obvious and simple
okay he's a vocalist he's a vocalist yeah
The time nihlangana niya kuma rehearsal benenza rehearsal yini?
mfethu mina yaza ngiculi ngiya-actor mfethu ngiyasibeswa
Uya actor naye.
yeah
oh lord
ubuya ushayile intuzane music
Shout out
and he's a
Robot.
storyteller
Robot.
oh
Yeah, and he's a very good storyteller.
Jorad
Tana
We-
bantu shem.
Shout out to you. We want you here next to him because you need to come here and tell him
Yeah,
the
azositshela
truth.
iqiniso.
Tell him the truth.
Singamthola azositshela le story
Hey.
le. And vele yazi masingamthola kule podcast kuqala before sisibhala le story. Sizothi masikhala
Amen.
sizobheka i-podcast sibhale sibheke, you understand?
Uyamfuna lapho uyamsearch. Ngiyabonga. You are very fast. Thank you for doing that.
Ufuna simfonele?
Bengicabanga ngathi umsendela i-DM ukuthi mfana wami.
Oh hayi ungawari ngizohlangana naye Monday kuma result ngizomtshela.
Nje.
Yeah.
Yeah. Asivaleni. Phela si more than 1 hour manje.
Thank you so much.
Hey, before
I'm so-
timing azositshela ezinye itori madoda
Ngiyaki-right lambona. Guys, no, I rivaling.
Yeah.
Kahle ngamanye amagama nginamanga mina.
Hayi, asisho kanjalo thina.
Abangithemba. Ngiyayibona lami.
Asisho kanjalo thina.
That's why mina izinto zami la ngithanda ukuza neproof. Ezwa lengozi.
Itori zakho ne ziphusha isikhathi.
Yeah.
Understand? Benza ukuthi 1 hour evaye ngathi sos next.
And dina le mitlholo because no
Hey.
go thoma ka nyekisha ka ya dimpia ngere boy.
Ayadi mtshela
A fetsa ka nyaka ka mfano wa Xhosa ke amrata.
Yeah.
Ka lebala le ya marao.
Na bile amo ya marao ke must. Ya marao ke must.
Ya marao ya.
Ya marao.
Futhi ke podcast akho KZN.
Ya marao ko
Jeja
nyaka.
urata ufaka sticker sesi black fetsa.
Awazi negama layo.
But you can remember everything but not the name. You know how funny it is ne? O remember everything the right words and o khona lo tsebo re o faka sithombe esinjani o khohlwa igama
Mara le
kuphela.
balele bitso.
Hey.
Of course, you know all the podcasts.
Ave.
Mara wa khona tsebo re di beile mang ko fase. Nna re tsebo re ngwala 18 plus 18 fela. That's what I can tell you. La go sima ke tsebe
o
beile.
subscribe ka betha pelela kere. And then ke a tsebo re awa subscribe. Utsho le rena.
Allergy serious.
Le rena ka subscribe.
Abana no ro subscribe ke chele.
Tšhelete.
Ke a tsaba ke lentsule ke subscribe. A una re
Au,
lentsule le
au.
petire le re ka le berekisang gore ba tsebe ntwe ke mahala.
Problem
How?
ko YouTube a
Ngicela
ona follow
silifuneni
ke re
a
follow
simple
us.
word for this.
Subscribe.
No, it's very difficult for them. No, they need to say follow us ne or ke ngela Facebook.
Follow
Ba khotle
us.
plus nyane. Re tlo ba diela something. These people are not subscribing.
Hey.
They think this is TikTok. Ba nna ka re nyaka di 45 rand tjela jore le bula molomo. Not here guys. You subscribe. Uno khotla tsela boloi uno re
Wa pressa pelela mo re posta o gona o bona re posting. Wa koela mona.
le bile a o tshwana o tsena ko YouTube all the time as long as it tlo fela re tsi
How?
a re gona.
Ma time a ka o ka gona ka ditori tse dingwe tsa itse mo.
A tla re botsa ka batho ba o sele hape re kwele le gore ba re ka mara dijo tsela re dijang ko strateng ba apea di mmitsane tja rena.
Sure.
So Leona, there's something that we need to again Google it. Guys, this one ke nyaka. Because you know what they said? They said they take his and mine and inside the and ke ja mogodu gore. Ke ja mogodu gore. Ke nna le half flash ka mswane.
Mara obvious ke re dilo tse di ka kwa fase ka kwa.
Wa nyaka.
Au fitla wena mole.
Eh.
Ba re o tla sheba ke re o ka se di bone di ka kwa fase ka kwa.
Wena
Ena
wa
tsibo re ke
Space stew. So
yena uyazi ukuthi ugoqoza kanjani ngithi uyazi ukuthi kunani.
usebenzisa the same thing every day or we are renew.
Mara aye wangibuza ngathi manje yimi ngenza leza.
Yeah, that question is very re nyako tsebo re o dia melatsa o berekisha tja tjilela wa repeater or every day ba nyaka stock se sentshwa.
I don't know ngoba obviously sihlezi sikhala ngama missing, kidnapping, izinto ezikanjalo yabona. So awazi ukuthi u receiver itumbe ezingaki.
Yeah, ne.
Guys,
Ngiyathola
okay.
awazi ukuthi u receiver ama parts ayingaki.
Guys, if you care and you love us, you listen to us, please let us engage on this one. I don't know where you can comment or do whatever. Do you believe those people baba na le di baba tshwana le bo mo di khone mo ba rekisha megodi and what do you believe re ba kenhlile guys?
Not kaofela phela
I just want others to tell us.
Yo kenga ne. They do kenga but you don't know gore ba kenga jwang. A ona gore le hutse wena o ka re o ka tsama ka packet ya magwenya every day go seng and then jiki wa rile 8 room.
Yes, you know why? No, I had a person wa ga shona rekisha magunya o ba dia 4000 ka beke. O ba dira 4000.
Ai. Motho na a rekisa ditamati mo ba re ke msadi o ka ba ka re bolela batho. A rekisa ditamati ke motho wa.
Guys, ke a le rata ka mogaro tlo le bona ga le re boya kuzophuma indaba yila ku ephuma igaca insela sabake manje ngoba ba shisa la sihlala khona
Let's
nkosi yami.
do it serious.
Mara serious.
Nna ke re hona le motho a berekang go di kitchening nene nako tse la bereka ko di-kitchene ke nako tsela tša gale ba ba fa tšhelete ka envelope langkwa basadi ba le ba agele di-3 room
wa kwa 3 room
listen to me ke rena ke nako tse ba sa gola ditšhelete tse dinnyane le wrong le
Kama-tamati.
ai gona le
Oh,
o ska ka matamati
ai.
guys le kunya ke ranta
Ai.
ka wa support ene le wrong lo tlo
Ai.
a tsa bana a bana tsola pele mina I'm still saying guys thanks a lot masuti be smart thathele imali uyibeke uyazi uba ufuna ukwenza ntoni ngemali yakho ababona bayaphambana
maro ka sa 8 room ka 1 rand le kwenya
o nyaka gore o diala
wa tsore ka go botse
O khentlile kang?
ka go botse business re jwang le hutso
a o itseba ona yona
exactly ke na yona mara still ke nyako botse re business jwa immediately gore motho a dia 4000 o wa makwenya o do you think gore mola di ma 4000 ke ya 4000 ka fela ona le ntwe tse di sa tja direke go ona le ngwana ona le mo sa patela rent ona le ngwana le
o tseba le ka gore patela rent o dula ka hae ke master le dia go re la loya le sa le bana ta so le nagana gore batho ba fetse go kry di 4000 ba patela eng yes
tšhelete ngwe le ngwe la dinyako tja yona
dia
Gore ka mogare o na
business
le
rekisha
lenyalo.
magunya poe o tlo bontshwara ka letsogo
Ai.
rekisha magunya o tlo ntshwara ka letsogo
ai
ko fe folo re tse pedi o di
na khono dia makwenya
wa tswa yey lazy people pepereze lazy ko fe folo oh we are rehearsally wena rekisha magunya boshiu rena re dia something new lalela senza into entsha manje into hamba kahle manje amagunya wethu acela
ba tla
ngosisi
rathakatha nobushiwo
you guys don't drink beer. I'm done with this kids guys thank you
ai asivaleni
I'm
bafethu
so done. Thank
next
you.
week bafethu please don't forget to subscribe like and follow bafethu and share bafethu asivaleni kanjalo asithi
love you my people
we
Emafayizane. Angiyobe.
Ulaktan bodies.
Angiyobe.
Bongsi.
Ya. Sabe, ngayenze.
Ulaktan bodies. Bongsi. Futhi nokubisela mbombi ulaktan bodies.
Ya, utaphoda wena lento ukuthi inyonya imizi yabantu. Yangena ngena.
Ngicale ngaye 69.
Ya, ngangena ngaqale 69. Mfethu angilalanga yazi.
Umashenge bekakhiphe busy bro, makushayisa ama push ups.
Hayi, simashenge man. Umndeni wami sengozini mfethu. Waqeda ufuna imali yakhe so ufuna ukusiqeda sonke.
Aramela utabalaze straight. Hayi straight.
So njengomndeni sithathe isinqumo sokuthi sidayise usweetheart. Sithathe le moto sidayise scrap yard, imoto engekhonze kakhulu bayihlahlele sidayise amaphathi mhlawumbe izoqhamuka esincane.
Fana. Bongsi. Ungathi namaphupho sokuthi ufuna ukuthi umvuse iswilaphi.
Ya amanye amaphupho kufanele ukuthi ashabalale mfethu ayikho enye indlela.
Kusileg, ne?
Ya.